Hello everyone, here we are tying our hair into low ponytail, folding it out, and then you can see our hairstyle is done. Next we are making a low ponytail. Again we are securing it with 2 rubber band, and to the remaining hair we are going to make a braid and then join it into the middle. Next we are applying a clip at the middle of our hair and then making 2 braids at the ends, folding the braids into opposite direction as you can see on one another, and your hairstyle is done. Next we are making a braid, and then to the remaining hair we are going to tie a ponytail and then join it to the braid. Next, we are making a braid from one side, covering all the hair, just leaving hair from one side a little, and then to the remaining hair we are twisting it around and then joining it at the other end. Next, we are going to make a low ponytail, leaving rest of the hair from the sides untied, and then we are going to make a bun, taking rest of the hair from the sides and then joining it together as you can see. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking hair from both the sides together, secure it with any clip you want. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking hair and tying it into low ponytail. We are taking only half of the hair, remaining hair we are going to make a braid, and then when the braid is ready we are going to join them together and then roll it out into a bun. Next we are going to tie our hair with the help of rubber, and then we are separating it into 3 parts, joining them together as you can see in the video, folding them out into a bun. Next we move ahead. Here we are parting our hair 3 times, folding it together as you can see with the help of rubber band and making this beautiful bun. Next we move ahead. Here we are joining our hair from the rubber and then making a low ponytail, separating the hair and then joining them together by folding them into a bun and attaching it to the clip. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking 2 rubber bands for this hairstyle. We are joining them and making this beautiful heart. For the remaining hair we are making 2 braids and then passing them through the opposite direction so that this beautiful hairstyle can be made. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking hair from both of the sides, securing it by 2 rubber band and making this heart hairstyle by passing it through itself and then making 2 braids together, passing it into the opposite direction as shown in the video, and then apply any accessory you want. Next we are taking our hair, separating it into 2 parts from the ponytail and then joining them together and folding it out into this beautiful bun. Next we are taking braids from both of the sides, joining them together into the opposite direction, and then we are making this low ponytail, separating it into 3 parts, folding them together into this beautiful bun. Thanks for watching.